Hi guys, today we're going to look at how you can search for and assign resources. When planning and scheduling resources, you will often have resources who are over-allocated and you need to find an alternative resource who can do the work. Here we have a developer who is over-allocated through a 5-week period. Remember, the blue bar indicates when the work is scheduled for, and the red border above the bar indicates the period the resource is overutilized. So let's take a look at solving this problem. We hit reassign. If we know the resource we want to reassign the work to, we can select them directly. Or we can hit the check availability link to check which resources are available to do the work based on their other commitments. This opens up the resource status window, which lets us check the availability of resources in our resource pool. Currently it is just showing the developers, but you can change the scope of resources displayed by using the search box. We can see the development team is pretty maxed out. They are running between 70% and 90% utilised through the period of the work we are looking to reassign, and that Ellie and Joe have no availability. Remember, the tick means they are currently utilised 100% of their time. But Sarah looks like a good option, so we try assigning the work to Sarah. But this still leaves us with Sarah overutilised for a couple of weeks. So it looks like our best option would be to assign the work to Sarah, but adjust the timing of the work. So we hit the edit schedule option. This lets us adjust things like when the work is happening and the amount of work. We shift the work forward by a couple of weeks and our over-allocation issues are resolved. Remember, you can also adjust work schedules by dragging the bars in the main planner window. That's all for today guys. Happy planning!